This is the Midea AG Eco. Got a bit of trunking running down the side for this one. Customer asked us to keep it nice and sleek for him, doesn't look too bad. Got shallow roofs, nowhere to put it, so on there. And then across the hall here, we've got another one in this room, matching up. So all our trunking runs down, runs through, and I'll show you what it looks like outside. Here are the outside units. We had the internals up here, ducting came out, we just washed it all down, but we managed to sit it behind the downpipe quite nicely. Runs around, we've got a power supply here. Yeah. We've got another one the same over there, for the other bedroom.